What's the meaning of cold cuts? Cold cuts. Cold cuts.
Cold cuts. Cold cuts. Cold cuts refer to sliced pre-cooked meats that are typically served cold in sandwiches, as a snack or as a party platter. These meats can include ham, turkey, roast beef, salami, and other cured or smoked varieties. Cold cuts are convenient and provide a quick source of protein, making them a popular choice for busy lifestyles. However, they may also be high in sodium, preservatives, and fat, which can be detrimental to one's health if consumed in excess. Therefore, it is important to enjoy cold cuts in moderation as part of a balanced diet.